Hi, my name is Eileen Mostricht, and today I wanted to talk about one more tool that we are able to use in Florida when a Medicaid applicant has assets that are over the $2,000 countable asset threshold. This is annuities. Now, we don't use these as much in Florida as other states because we have so many other tools that we can use, but it is something that is there if needed. And the way that it works is that if a single person has some money that they need to place somewhere so that they can become eligible for Medicaid, they can purchase an annuity, but it has to be an annuity, cannot be deferred, has to be immediate, meaning it has to start paying out an income stream right away. And it has to be actuarially sound, which means that it has to be based on the applicant's life expectancy. So meaning if that person lived their entire life expectancy, that all the money in the annuity would be paid out to them, and it gets paid to them and becomes part of their income calculation for Medicaid purposes. So the good thing about this tool is that it's relatively easy to implement. There are a couple companies actually out there that do this all the time and can make the process seamless. The downside to this tool, though, is that the primary beneficiary of the annuity needs to be Medicaid, so if you're single. So if the person dies before all of that money is paid out, so in other words, if they live less than their expected life expectancy, the Medicaid is going to get the remainder of the money as essentially a payback. If you're married, then the primary beneficiary can be your spouse or a disabled child, or dependent child, but the contingent beneficiary has to be Medicaid. So again, it's out there. It is a tool used in other states much more often than Florida because other states don't have all of the tools that we have here. But it is something just to keep in mind, is just yet another one of the things that we could do.